Hey guys, Gaius Hennin here at the Shelter Institute. Today I'm demonstrating the Zsaw brand of Japanese hand saws. In particular, I'm going to show you the V265. It's a folding Japanese hand saw that has a blade length of 265 millimeters, and it's meant for cross-cutting. So I just have a piece of 2x4 spruce here. This would be a fairly typical application for that saw. So first I'm going to square it up. When you're using a handsaw, it's important to have lines on all sides that you're cutting if you're looking for an accurate cut, because you are in fact controlling the handsaw in all directions. So this is the saw. The brand is Zsaw, and this is their V3 265 millimeter. It is a cross-cut saw. The Zsaw brand uses a technique known as impulse hardening to harden the teeth, so they run high voltage electricity down the tips of the tooth. That makes them very hard so that they stay sharp long, but it leaves the spine of the saw still flexible, so you're not going to snap this blade. The other thing to keep in mind when you're using a Japanese handsaw is that they are intended to cut on the pull stroke. So all of the action is taking place when you're pulling the handsaw back. So this is what the saw looks like in your tool bag. The teeth are protected inside the handle. When you go to use it, you can use it as a straight line saw. If you're cutting close to the floor, there's a secondary position that allows you to kick the handle up so that you're not dragging your knuckles on the floor as you make that cut. I like to start the cut by knocking the corner off with a little bit of a push, and then I can start cutting. All right, so at this point I basically made a diagonal cut from this corner to this corner because I could watch this line and this line while I was cutting. Now I'm ready to move myself over to this side and I can finish the cut watching down that line.